Hi guys, welcome to our channel Lake Family Farm. For tonight's video we're gonna unboxing a presents. So you guys can guess, I ordered this last month and it came yesterday. So let's see what's inside in this box, this little box. So just watch and relax. I hope you like it. Where's the knife? See that? Oh, I don't need a knife. It's just there's an arrow in here. You can feel it. There, here. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. You guess what's this one? Yay! iPhone! So here it is. It's iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I decided to trade my my iPhone 13 Pro. It's super nice, but I'm always crazy about the new camera that they put in this phone. So the color that I bought is blue titanium, and it's a dust proof, fingerprint resistant oleophobic coating, splash proof and waterproof. Here you go, guys. Whoop. My iPhone 13 Pro, it has a 128, but I order 256 gigabytes so that I have more room because I love taking pictures, especially videos. So here it is, guys. This is really, see, let's spill it. Oop. There you go. See? I'm so happy. And let's turn it on. We need to, and of course they have this sticker. If you want the sticker, I can put this one on my laptop. And this is the instruction. So it says you no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. For more information, go to apple.com/eSIM. And then the cord, it's a Type-C. So everybody likes the charger because you can plug this in everywhere. And look, and usually if you buy an Apple, and it's a little long like that, and it won't tangle, and it's very easy peasy. So right there, guys, you got Type-C. I bought a what do you call it, case also, because you know I'm working in a farm. I mean, this one is a titanium, made in titanium, but still, because I live in a farm. I work every day at the chicken house, and I just wanna be extra careful because this is really expensive, guys. I paid almost $1,300, included the tax, and then when I get this one, I have to delete all the files from my iPhone 13 and set up on this new phone, and then they're gonna send that money back, because when you trade your phone for this one, I think it only cost me $715, but still it's very expensive. I mean, I am not trying to be fancy, but I love Apple stuff. I love their settings, even though that their setting is confusing. And also, I'm a little obsessed of their camera. This is bonjour, hello, hello. That's what it says. And in Pubin. And hola. Look, see, it's very light. It's very light, and not like my iPhone 13. It's a little heavy, but this one is more lighter. Okay, so let's start now. Swipe to open. Go to English. Let me see if there's a Tagalog in here.
So the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max are Apple's current high-end flagship iPhones, sold alongside the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus. The new models launch on Friday, September 22nd, 2023. So if you order iPhone Pro Max, it's gonna take you for a long time to get delivered to your house.
Yeah, they have Philippines, of course. United States. Appearance, choose the size of text. Let's see, large. Continue.
New Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max aerospace grade titanium design, making it both strong and light. USB-C connector. All-day battery life up to 29 hours video playback. It has 48 MP main camera with multiple focal lengths, like having 7 full lenses in your pocket. Telephoto lens with 5 times optical zoom. Customizable actions button for your favorite pictures. It has A17 Pro chip, Pro class GPU with 6 cores.
This in Amazon Prime. Amazon, we love to order them. So I bought a case. from Amazon. So it says, so this is the picture. Hybrid case with stash stand. So I bought it clear, and I'm gonna open it, and I'm gonna put this. I don't care about the, when I open the things, it's always rip or messed up. So here, it wasn't very expensive. I think it was $14.99. And look at this one. This is the camera guard. This side camera guard. And if you want to put your phone sideways, so you can use this, you can lift this up, and there you go. It's kind of like a stand, and then you can put it like this. See, and that's pretty cool, huh? So I'm gonna use this because this one is a little slick, and it's too big for my hands. There you go. Like I said, hard halogen magnetic case. So I'm gonna put this. There you go. Here. There you go. I like clear. And I hope this one's not gonna get dirty. Okay, let's continue. Have fun. Have fun. Okay.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Bye. God bless us all.